Okay, so I'm going to compare two high-speed hair dryers. This one is the Lange or Laneige, L''Ange. This one comes in so many fun colors. I love this one just out of the box. This one is this like champagne color, really cute, compact. Both have very long cords, which is good. And both have magnetic attachments to the top for the diffuser. This one comes with a large diffuser, like a normal one that you would see, whatever. And my baby does not like me up here. Okay, and so this one you have to clean the filter every 30 days, which doesn't seem too hard, honestly. 20 to 30 days for the warming feature of it. And then when you turn this on, you have two modes. You have a lower mode and a higher mode. So you can change the heat. So this is warm, that's hot, and that's cool. I want it warm. So that's with the diffuser on it, but look at how strong this is. Oh my God. This is literally like a power blow dryer. This will get your hair dry. Honestly, this one's like so freaking strong. High speed hair dryer. Yeah, this is extremely high speed. That was like a wind turbine. So I'm gonna try the Lange one now. Hold on. Okay, so this one, like I said, comes in like so many cute colors. I'm like obsessed. I wish I got this in blue or like pink, but whatever, purple is like cool too. This also has a filter to clean. Really easy to take it on and off and lock it. It has two modes like the other one. So that and that. Again, very strong. Then you have, okay, now that I got him to stop crying, we can continue. So then you have cold mode, indicated by the snowflake. Then you have low, medium, and high heat. So this low one is still pretty cool. Has a blue light. This one has a medium red light, and this one has a red light. So it's kind of intuitive. I like how this one also comes with a hook, so you can like hang this on your wall. And look at this. That's the best part, is the magnet. It's so fun to use. Overall, I think this one would be more sufficient if you're bringing this on vacation. It's so compact. You can wrap it up real tight. The diffuser's really cute and little, really easy to pop on. Comes in so many fun colors. Like I said, would make a great gift. Did you just break that mirror? Oh my goodness. No, you didn't. You know, that's 7 years of bad luck. Then this one's just a little bit more bulky, you know. I would say this one would be more for staying at home, but both work really good. I would say this one has more like really blowing your hair around, while this one you have a little bit more control with the blow. But I really like this one. Definitely would get this one again, and I'm definitely gonna get this for gifts. This makes a great gift. And oh wow, I didn't even realize this. This comes on and off too with a magnet. How cool is that? Like, this thing is awesome. Oh. What an awesome feature.